In this video, I'm going to show you the basic steps for how to create content on your new Drupal website. Here, we'll cover just the major steps. You will find more information about adding, placing, and editing specific content and micro-content types in other video tutorials. For the purpose of this video, the term content refers both to different types of pages you can make to build your website, such as landing, action, basic, and listing pages, as well as micro-content elements such as link collections, accordions, and promos that can be embedded within pages for further functionality. There are two ways to create new content. The first way is to open the sidebar navigation and click on Content. This will bring you to the Content Overview page. Near the top of this page, click on the blue Add Content button. And this will take you to a page where you can select which type of content to create. Here, you'll notice that the options are divided into content and micro-content. Content includes 4 different page type options, as well as contacts, locations, and news. Micro-content includes smaller components used as building blocks that are added to a content page. These don't have their own standalone pages and aren't available to website visitors outside of the context where you place them. Clicking on any of these types of content will take you to a new page to start creating that content. But before we do that, let me show you the other way to create new content. In the sidebar navigation, hover over the Create button, and it will show you a menu of all of the content types in alphabetical order, and you can select the content you want to create by clicking on its name. If you click on Create at the top of this list, it will also take you to this Add Content page. For this quick demonstration, let's create a type of micro-content called a callout. Find it by hovering over Create and then clicking on the word Callout. This will bring us to the Create Callout page. Any field marked with a red asterisk is a required field. So for this demonstration, let's just fill those out by giving our callout a title and writing in the description field where the text of the callout will display. If you want to learn more about callouts, there's a video tutorial just for those. At the bottom of the page, you will need to click Save to save your work. Just above that, you have the Save As button with a drop-down menu where you can choose 4 different ways to save this content. The default for this website is to save the content as draft, meaning the content will be unpublished until changed to published. To bypass this, I can choose Published in the drop-down menu and then click Save to save the callout. Since callout is a type of micro-content you might add to a content page, it does not have a standalone page to view once it is saved. You can find it, however, by going to the Content Overview, and it should show up at the top of the list since this is the content we have created or updated most recently. If we needed to edit this micro-content, we could click Edit on the far right side. Those are the basic steps to creating content on your new website. Choose the type of content to create, fill out the required and relevant fields, and click Save. Each of the different types of content and micro-content will have different fields and functionality, and you'll find tutorials for creating each of those in other videos. Thanks for watching.